Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with a private pool and large garden with parking in Ciudad Quesada, Alicante. At the entrance of this property, you are greeted by a well-established garden with a large parking area to the right. Leading down the footpath, it leads to the pool area and entrance into the villa. The pool area offers multiple seating areas with a shaded wooden pergola. Entering up the stairs, you have a balcony area that leads into the living room. This space is perfect for indoor-outdoor living with its sliding glass doors, creating an open-plan area with the lounge. From the living room, you have the open-plan, fully equipped kitchen with a separate access door to the garden and utility room at the rear. The master bedroom has large windows at the rear with views of the pool and has an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. Down the hallway, you will find the 2 guest bedrooms with fitted wardrobes and master bathroom with a walk-in shower. This property has been renovated and is in one of the best locations in Ciudad Quesada. 2 minutes walk to restaurants and supermarkets, and 10 minutes to the Costa Blanca beaches. For more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.